Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we want to find the maximum load in kilograms for the hot air balloon in this scenario. And we're going to recycle the question of 1-101. So a lot of the working comes from that. So they give us the diameter, which is 14 meters. They give us the weight of each person, which is 86 kilograms. They give us the air density, which is 1.16 kilogram per meter cubed. They give us the buoyancy formula, which is rho GV or rho VG in this case. You can swap them around if you really want to. Okay, so if you haven't done that question, you can just pause the video here. This is the working for question 101. I won't be explaining any of it because I've explained it in that question. And if you want to get full explanation, you should watch that video. But you can pause the video if you're not too familiar with that question. But basically that question just wants to find the acceleration. So here's all the working. Alright. You can pause the video and find out how everything works in that question. Just to be familiar, you don't have to. But note that we are recycling a lot of the working from that question, and that's okay. I will explain today's question, so not to worry. Okay, and here's all the working for the previous question. Cool. So for today's question, 1-103, we want to find the total mass that the hot air balloon can carry, either by people or of people or by objects. Okay. So step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We got a hot air balloon, we got a cage carrying mass. Step 2, list all the given values and the unknown. So they give us the diameter, the air density, and the mass of the people. And we're trying to find the total mass, or the maximum amount of mass rather. So not necessarily people, however, that's just the formula that we're going to use. Step 3, find the max mass of the people. Generally it is people, but I guess you could carry objects instead of people. So I feel like we could label that a little bit better, but that's okay. Step 4, find the formula for total mass. Why are we doing that? Because this formula states that the mass of the people is equal to the total mass minus the mass of the helium. So for the total mass, not to be confused with the maximum mass. Okay, so weight is equal to mass multiplied by gravity, which is equal to the buoyancy force. So the total mass is equal to the buoyancy force divided by gravity. So we're missing the buoyancy force, we assume gravity, so that's our next step. Step 5, find the buoyancy formula. They give it to us in question 1-101, which is rho GV. So density of air, they give us that, we assume gravity, so we're missing volume, so that's our next step. Step 6, find the volume formula. We assume it's a sphere, and we will work it out straight away. So we get the volume of 1,436.76 cubic meters. Step 7, find the buoyancy force, which is 16,349.75 newtons. Step 8, find the total mass. So the total mass is your force divided by your gravity. So we've got 16,349.75 newtons divided by 9.81 meters per second squared. They'll give us 1,666.64 kilograms. Step 9, find the mass of helium. So helium is 1/7 of air. So the mass is density multiplied by volume to cancel out the cubic meter units. So 1.16 divided by 7 kilograms per meter cube multiplied by 1436.76 meters cube, and that will give you a mass of 238.09 kilograms. Finally, we can find the mass of the maximum people or maximum objects that can be carried. So they state people, however, it's just objects. So we just have the total minus the helium. So that's 1666.64 minus 238.09. So that is 1428.55 kilograms. Now I should probably just add object. So if you want people, it will be this mass divided by the 86 kilograms per person. So the number of people that the hot air balloon can carry is 16.6. Of course, we have to round it up to 17 people because we can't have a 0.6 of a person. Alright, so if it's just the mass or the total maximum amount of mass, it will be 1428.55 kilograms. If it's people, the maximum amount of people will be 17 people. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, you can follow these steps. So in your taskbar, click on snipping tool. If it's not there, you can go into your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open video option, then click on new, left click and drag your rectangle, cover the YouTube screen. In your snipping tool, hit the start button, wait for the countdown. On your YouTube, hit the replay button, let the video finish, hit the red square to stop recording, then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you have questions, comments, or if you find a mistake, you can post it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.